I've been working here at the DoubleTree for going on 15 years this July. I chose the DoubleTree because there was a position open at the time, and I was younger and just looking for work and got my foot in the door, and you found out what a great company Hilton is, and it's a tough one to leave because it's such a great company. I enjoy the people, my staff. A lot of the guys who work for me, I've worked with them for almost a decade, and not just employees, but they become friends, and I enjoy the work itself. It's something new every day. You never know what you're going to get, and it never gets boring.
When I first came here, I was in between projects for another organization. I'd only planned to be here about 3 weeks, and I wound up staying. Within 3 years, I was promoted to maintenance manager. I love the camaraderie. I love the teamwork. This place in particular, there's a lot of good-hearted people that work here. One of the greatest things here is seeing a guest, the look on their face, the contentment, the relaxation. The guest rejuvenates that gratitude for your surroundings. It sometimes gets lost after time, but when you see that look in their eye when they're looking at the ocean or a sunset, you're like, wow. So I'm grateful to them for bringing that back to me.
I've been at Martinray Vineyards and Winery for almost 5 years. My biggest advice is you will make an error, you will fail, and that's not the end. We always learn from our failures and our mistakes. You might mess up, and that's okay. What I love the most about my job would be education. I get to educate people every day. Like I said, I've been doing this for 15 years now, and I still learn something new every day.